Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to fix yellow battery icon on Android. The quickest way to fix the yellow battery icon on your Redmi 10 or any Android phone is by using the control center. Simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. Look for the battery saver icon. It usually looks like a small battery with a power symbol inside. If it is turned on, the icon will be highlighted, and that is why your battery indicator appears yellow. Just tap it once to turn it off, and you will instantly see your battery icon go back to its normal color, either white or green, depending on your system theme. This method is the fastest fix. No need to open the full settings menu. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the yellow battery icon on your Android. Quick, simple, and super useful to keep your phone running smoothly. No more worrying about weird battery colors or hidden settings. With just a few easy steps, you can get your normal battery icon back and make sure your phone's power settings are working just right. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android fixes and tech tips. Got any questions or other issues with your phone? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.